Hello, my dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be good as usual. I am Ali Raza Syal, lecturer in English, Government Milan Degree College, Muro. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the topic use of the definite articles. If you remember, the last time we discussed about the articles, use of indefinite articles a and n. Today, I am again back with a new video lecture. That is the use of the definite articles. That is the. Now let's see what is the use. What is the first use of this article? First use of definite article the. We use the with particular person or thing or one already mentioned in a sentence. मतलब कि हम यूज करते हैं the कोई particular खास स्पेसिफिक कोई पर्सन हो या कोई चीज हो या कोई पर्सन या चीज जो स्पेसिफिक हो वो चीज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड इन अ सेंटेंस. For example, let's see the example. He is a man. Now see, I have used here a man. He is a man. Now second time I have used the word the man lives in a hotel. This is a singular noun. I have used here article indefinite a. He lives in a hotel. Now I have used here definite article the hotel. The hotel is a famous. Now see, in this sentence I have used the twice. One first time and second time. First time use of the, second time use of the. Because in this sentence the man is to be considered the specific particular, and this the hotel is to be considered the specific and particular. Therefore we use the with something or some person which is or who is specific particular. The second use of the, we use the यानी a definite article the with singular nouns represents, with singular nouns represents a whole class. मतलब the nouns which represents the whole class, whole species, we use the with them as well. For example, let's see the cow. This is the cow is a useful animal. See here I have used definite article the because this the represents the whole class. And next example is the cat loves milk, or if I write down the cat loves comfort, COMFORT, sukun. The cat loves comfort. I have used here article the cat because the cat represents the whole class or the whole family. Third use of the definite article is used before proper names like these kinds of places names. Proper names are there with whom we use the definite article. The names are including like a oceans and seas. Example is the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, etc. B, we use the with rivers. Example, the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Indus, etc. C is we use the with the canals. Example, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, etc. D, we use the with the deserts. Example, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, etc. E, we use the with the groups of islands. Example, the West Indies, the Antigua. F, we use the with mountain ranges. Example, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Hindu Kush, the Karakoram. These are the mountain ranges. Here the point to be noted that we do not use the with the names of mountains. If I say Mount Everest, Mountain Everest, Nanga Parbat, we shall not use the with them. But if there are mountain ranges, we can use the not alone with the mountains. This is the most important point regarding exam and pre-entry test point of view. G, we use the with a few names of the countries, which includes words like a republic, a kingdom, and united. If any country carries these three words, including a republic, kingdom, and united, then we use the with them. For example, the Republic of Pakistan. If there is only word Pakistan, I love Pakistan. Here I shall not use I love the Pakistan. But if I say I love Desh Republic of Pakistan, then we shall use the Republic of Pakistan, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirat, the Irish Republic, etc. Fourth use of the, we use the with certain books, yani holy books. For example, the Vedas, the Holy Quran, the Torah, the Injil, etc. Fifth use of a definite article there. We use the with the names unique of their kinds. For example, the sun, a unique name, the moon, a unique name, the earth, a unique name, the sea, a unique name, the ocean, a unique name. Fifth use of the, we use the with proper nouns when it is qualified by an adjective or defining adjective clause. Example, the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare. This is the adjective clause or the adjective defining clause. We can use the with them. Number seventh use of the, we use the with the superlative degrees of adjective. For example, the darkest clouds, the darkest cloud. Darkest is the superlative degree of adjective. The best boy, best is the superlative degree of adjective. Eighth use of the is, we use the with the ordinals. We discussed adjectives of number, ordinals and cardinals. Ordinals, example, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Ninth use of the, we use the with musical instruments. For example, the tamburo, the flute, etc. Tenth use of the, we use the with adjectives representing a whole class. Last time we discussed use of the with the nouns which were representing the whole class. But here the case is quite different. We use the with the adjectives which represents the whole class. For example, the poor, the rich, the honest, like these. 11th use of the is, we use the with the sentences when twice comparative degrees are used. Such sentences in which two times comparative degrees are used. For example, the higher you go, the cooler it is. This is the higher degree of adjective, comparative. Second is the cooler. In this sentence, twice comparative degrees are used. And last use of the is 12th, we use the with the directions. For example, the east, the west, the south, the north. These were the 12 use of article the. And this is about today's topic. And in the end, I just would say one point, that we and you are very much thankful to the Sindh government education department who has launched started such a wonderful channel for you people, that you may learn different things on different topics by different teachers, including lecturers, professors, assistant professors, and you will be having a wonderful knowledge. And you will avail this opportunity at your homes. You can go through different topics by sitting at your homes, and you can enhance, enrich, increase your knowledge by sitting at your homes. So Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself. Bye bye.